What gases floats in air? Option A, hydrogen and helium, B, nitrogen and carbon dioxide, and C, oxygen and methane. Is option A, hydrogen and helium. Yes, mainly these two gases are known to float in air. Which is the hottest gas on Earth? Option A, argon, B, methane, and C, helium. The answer is option A, argon. Yes, argon is the hottest gas on the Earth. What is the heaviest gas on Earth? Option A, methane, B, nitrogen, and C, radon. Answer is option C, radon. Yes, radon is the heaviest gas on the Earth. Which gas is used as a safe gas in dentistry and known for anti-anxiety effect? Option A, nitrogen, B, nitrous oxide, C, oxygen. Answer is option B, nitrous oxide. Yes, nitrous oxide is used as a safe gas in dentistry and it is known for anti-anxiety effect. What is the another name of nitrous oxide? Option A, happy gas, B, crying gas, and C, stranger gas. Answer is option A, happy gas. Yes, nitrous oxide is also known as happy gas. Which gas is used in chips packets? Option A, oxygen gas, B, nitrogen gas, and C, hydrogen gas. Answer is option B, nitrogen gas. Nitrogen gas is used in the chips packets. Which gas is known as crying gas? Option A, nitrogen, B, cyanogen chloride, and C, carbon dioxide. The answer is option B, cyanogen chloride. Yes, cyanogen chloride is also known as crying gas. Which gas is known as stranger gas? Option A, cyanogen chloride, B, xenon, and C, nitrogen. Answer is option B, xenon. Yes, xenon. This gas is also known as the stranger gas. Which gas is in cylinder? Option A, methane, B, carbon dioxide, C, liquid petroleum gas. Answer is option C, liquid petroleum gas. Yes, liquid petroleum gas is present in cylinder. Question: which is the only mammal produces pink milk? Option A, walrus, B, rhinoceros, C, seal, and D, hippopotamus. Correct answer is option D, hippopotamus. Hippopotamus produces pink milk. Question: what language is spoken in Brazil. Options are option A, Brazilian, B, French, C, English, and last option D, Portuguese. Correct answer is option D, Portuguese. Yes, Portuguese is the language, is most widely spoken language in Brazil. Question: what is the largest organ in the human body? Options are option A, the skin, B, the liver, and C, the heart. Correct answer is option A, the skin. Skin is the largest organ in the human body. Question: which Mughal ruler introduced silver coins called Shahrukhi? Option A, Emperor Akbar, B, Emperor Humayun, and C, Emperor Babur. The answer is option C, Emperor Babur introduced the silver coin Shahrukhi. Question: what is the chemical formula of water? Option A, H2O, B, HO2, C, OH2, and D, O2H2. Answer is option A, H2O. The chemical formula of water is H2O. Question: which is the only continent in the world without a desert? Option A, Australia, B, Asia, and C, Europe. The answer is option C, Europe. Yes, Europe is the only continent in the world without a desert. Who is the king of God in Greek mythology? Option A, Poseidon, B, Zeus, and last option C, Hades. The answer is option B, Zeus. Yes, Zeus is the king of gods in Greek mythology. Question: which gland of human body is called the master gland? Option A, pineal gland, B, thyroid gland, and C, pituitary gland. Answer is option C, pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is the master gland of the human body. Question: what city has the biggest library? Options are option A, Beijing, B, Moscow, C, New York, and D, Washington. Correct answer is option D, Washington. Yes, Washington has the biggest library, the Library of Congress. Question: who was the first president of India? Options are option A, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B, Dr. Zakir Hussain, and C, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Answer is option A, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. Question: which is the most widely spoken language in the world? Options are option A, French, B, English, C, Chinese or Mandarin, and D, Portuguese. Correct answer is option C, Chinese Mandarin. Yes, it is the most widely spoken language in the world. Question: which is the tallest statue of the world? Options are: option A, the Statue of Unity, B, the Statue of Liberty, C, Great Buddha of Thailand, and D, Christ the Redeemer. The answer is option A, the Statue of Unity. Yes, the Statue of Unity, located in India, is the tallest statue of the world. Question: which part of computer is called as brain of the computer? Option A, CPU, Central Processing Unit, B, keyboard, and C, RAM and ROM. Correct answer is option A, CPU, Central Processing Unit, is also known as the brain of the computer. Question: which blood group is called universal recipient? Options are: option A, A positive blood group, B, AB negative blood group, C, O positive blood group, and D, AB positive blood group. Correct answer is option D, AB positive blood group. AB positive blood group is the universal recipient. Question: how many countries have border with the Black Sea? Options are: option A, 3 countries, B, 5 countries, C, 6 countries, and D, 7 countries. Correct answer is option C, 6 countries. 6 countries have border with Black Sea. Question: what percentage of the earth is covered with water? Options are: option A, 25%, B, 71%, and C, 75%. Correct answer is option B, 71%. 71% of the earth is covered with water. Which state of India is also known as the Tea Garden of India? Options are: option A, Karnataka, B, Kerala, and C, Assam. Correct answer is option C, Assam. Assam is also known as Tea Garden of India. Question: in which state of India Hornbill Festival is celebrated? Options are: option A, Mizoram, B, Nagaland, and last option C, Manipur. Answer is option B, Nagaland. The Hornbill Festival is celebrated in Nagaland. Question: who was the first Prime Minister of India? Option A, Jawaharlal Nehru, B, Lal Bahadur Shastri, and C, Indira Gandhi. The answer is option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Which tribe is most in India? Options are option A, Bhil tribe according to census 2011, B, Khokar tribe, C, Gond tribe. Correct answer is option A, Bhil tribe. Bhil tribe is the largest tribal group in India as per 2011 census. Question: how many miles per hour can a cheetah run? Option A, 50 miles per hour, B, 75 miles per hour, and C, 100 miles per hour. Answer is option B, 75 miles per hour. A cheetah can run 75 miles per hour. Question: what is the largest library in the world? Option A, National Library of China, B, Trinity College Library, and C, Library of Congress. Correct answer is option C, Library of Congress. Yes, Library of Congress is the largest library in the world. Question: in which country monkey serves as waiter? Your options are option A, Ireland, option B, Poland, and option C, Japan. The answer is option C, Japan. Yes, in Japan, monkey serves as waiter. Question: which country's national game is bullfighting? Option A, South Korea, option B, Spain, option C, Poland, and option D, Finland. Answer is option B, Spain. Yes, the national game of Spain is bullfighting. Question: which Mughal emperor earned the title Insan-e-Kamil, perfect man, for his peaceful personality and patience? Option A, Emperor Akbar, B, Emperor Babur, C, Emperor Humayun, and D, Emperor Shah Jahan. Correct answer is option C, Emperor Humayun. Emperor Humayun earned the title Insan-e-Kamil, perfect man, for his peaceful personality and patience. Question: which country do not have ATM machines? Your options are option A, Vietnam, option B, North Korea, and option C, Eritrea. Your correct answer is option C, Eritrea. Yes, Eritrea have no ATM machine. Question: which animal is also known as the sheep of the desert? Option A, desert reptiles, option B, camel, and option C, scorpion. The correct answer is option B, camel. Yes, camel is also known as the sheep of the desert. Question: who wrote the anthem सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा तराना हिंदी? Option A, philosopher, poet and politician Allama Muhammad Iqbal. B. Poet Harivansh Rai Bachchan. C. Kalidas. And last option D. Rabindranath Tagore. Correct answer is option A. Allama Muhammad Iqbal wrote the Tarane Hindi Sare Jahan Se Acha Hindustan Hamara. Question: which country national book is Ramayana? Option A. India, Bharat. Option B. Nepal. And option C. Thailand. Correct answer is option C. Thailand. Yes, Ramayana is national book of Thailand. Question: which is the oldest game in India? Your options are option A. Kabaddi, option B. Wrestling, and option C. Gilli Danda. Correct answer is option B. Wrestling. Yes, wrestling is the oldest game of India. Question: which mountain changes its color every day? Options are option A. Uluru Highest Rock Mountain, option B. Mount Everest, and option C. Mount Elbert. Correct answer is option A. Highest Rock Uluru Mountain of Australia, changes its color every day. Question: how many seasons are there in a year according to Gregorian calendar? Your options are option A. 6 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, monsoon, pre-winter, and winter. Option B. 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Option C. 5 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, monsoon, and winter. Your correct answer is option B. There are 4 seasons according to Gregorian calendar: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Question: which city of India is also known as the city of temples? Your options are option A. Banaras, option B. Jaipur, and last option C. Bhubaneswar. Your correct answer is option C. Bhubaneswar. Yes, Bhubaneswar, this city of India, is also known as the city of temple in the world. Question: which country made Titanic? Your options are option A. Great Britain, option B. America, and option C. Canada. And your correct answer is option A. Great Britain made Titanic. Who is the painter of famous artwork Mona Lisa? Option A. Picasso, option B. Michelangelo, and option C. Leonardo da Vinci. Answer is option C. Leonardo da Vinci. The painter of Mona Lisa artwork is Leonardo da Vinci. Which aquatic animal has no brain and no heart? Options are option A. Seahorse, option B. Jellyfish, option C. Octopus, and option D. Marine tortoise. And your correct answer is option B. Jellyfish. Yes, jellyfish has no brain and heart. What element is added to water to prevent tooth decay? Options are option A. Chloride, option B. Iodide, option C. Fluoride, and option D. Bromide. Correct answer is option C. Fluoride. Fluoride is added in water to prevent tooth decay. What organ is affected in COPD? Your options are option A. Brain, option B. Kidney, option C. Heart, and option D. Lung. And your correct answer is option D. Lung. Lung is affected in COPD. Question: which US president never lived in the White House? Your options are option A. John Adams, option B. George W. Bush, and option C. Barack Obama. Last option, George Washington. Your correct answer is option D. George Washington never lived in White House. Which state of India is also known as the Spice Garden of India? Your options are option A. Kerala, option B. Karnataka, and option C. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is option A. Kerala. Kerala is also known as the Spice Garden of India. Who was the first woman sultanate, woman ruler of India? Options are option A. Ahilya Bai Holkar, option B. Rani Lakshmi Bai, and option C. Razia Sultan. The answer is option C. Razia Sultan. Yes, Razia Sultan was the first woman sultanate or woman ruler in India. How many years does a millennium have? Options are option A. 100 years, option B. 1000 years, and option C. 10,000 years. Correct answer is option B. 1000 years. Yes, a millennium have 1000 years. Question: what gas can make balloons float? Option A. Helium, option B. Oxygen, and option C. Nitrogen. The correct answer is option A. Helium. Yes, it is the lightest gas which can make balloons float. Which city is the Eiffel Tower in? Your options are option A. London, option B. Paris, option C. New York, and option D. Rome. Your correct answer is option B. Paris. Yes, The Eiffel Tower is located in Paris. What is the chemical symbol of gold? Your options are option A GO, option B AU, and option C AG. Answer is option B AU. Yes, the chemical symbol of gold is AU. Question: what is the full form of medical term COPD? Your options are option A chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, option B coronary obstructive primary disease, and option C chronic obstructive pulmonary disorder. Your correct answer is option A. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease is the full form of COPD medical term. Question: what is the most abundant chemical element in the atmosphere? Option A oxygen, option B carbon, and option C nitrogen. Correct answer is option C nitrogen. Yes, nitrogen is the most abundant chemical present in the atmosphere. What is the first wonder of the world? Your options are option A the statue of Zeus, Olympia, option B the Great Wall of China, and option C Great Pyramid of Giza, Egypt. Your correct answer is option C. Great Pyramid of Giza, Egypt is the first wonder of the world. Who is also known as the African Gandhi or the Gandhi of Africa? Your options are option A Cyril Ramaphosa, option B Nelson Mandela, and option C Thabo Mbeki. And your correct answer is option B. Nelson Mandela is also known as the African Gandhi. Who is the first person in Indian history who demanded complete freedom, Azadi-e-Kamil, for the first time in 1921? Your options are option A Mahatma Gandhi, option B Bal Gangadhar Tilak, option C Bhagat Singh, and option D Maulana Hasrat Mohani. The answer is option D. Maulana Hasrat Mohani demanded complete freedom. Which king started Kumbh Mela in Allahabad? Option A King Shivaji, option B Harshvardhan, and option C Narasimha Varman. Your correct answer is option B Harshvardhan. Yes, King Harshvardhan started Kumbh Mela in Allahabad. Who first found Harappa? Option A Dayaram Sahni, option B M. Wheeler, and option C Charles Mason. It's Charles. The answer is option A Dayaram Sahni. Yes, Dayaram Sahni was the first person to found Harappa. Where is Disney World? Your options are option A, Florida, option B, Texas, and option C, Los Angeles. Your correct answer is option A, Florida. Yes, the Disney World is located in Florida. Who discovered Mohenjo-daro? Option A, Charles Mason, option B, Dayaram Sahni, and option C, R.D. Banerjee. The answer is option C, R.D. Banerjee. Yes, he discovered Mohenjo-daro first. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Your options are option A, Mahatma Gandhi, option B, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer is option B, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Yes, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as father of Indian Constitution. Who is the father of nation of India? Options are option A, Mahatma Gandhi, option B, Jawaharlal Nehru, and option C, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Options are option A, Mahatma Gandhi, option B, Jawaharlal. The correct answer is option A, Mahatma Gandhi. Yes, Mahatma Gandhi is also known as the father of nation. Which of the following is the hottest? Options are option A, molten lava, option B, Earth's core, and option C, bolt of lightning. Correct answer is option C, bolt of lightning. What was the first metal used by humans? Option A, copper, option B, gold, and option C, iron. The answer is option A, copper. Yes, copper is the first metal used by human. Who invented the compound microscope? Options are option A, Michael Faraday, option B, Zacharias Janssen, and option C, Alan Turing. Correct answer is option B, Zacharias Janssen. Yes, he is the inventor of compound microscope. Who came to India first? Option A, Portuguese, option B, French, and option C, Dutch. Answer is option A, Portuguese. Yes, Portuguese came to India first. What is the full name of India? Option A, Bharat, B, Bharat Mata, and C, the Republic of India. Correct answer is option C, the Republic of India. The correct and full name of India is the Republic of India. Which among the following is a ritualistic Veda? Option A, Rig Veda, option B, Yajur Veda, and option C, Atharva Veda. Answer is option B, Yajurved. Yes, Yajurved is a ritualistic Ved. Who is the father of biology and zoology? Our options are option A, Antoine Lavoisier, B, W.C. Runton, and C, Aristotle. Correct answer is option C, Aristotle. Yes, the father of biology and zoology is Aristotle. Who was the first explorer to discover India? Option A, Vasco da Gama, B, Napoleon Bonaparte, and C, Alexander. Answer is option A, Vasco da Gama. Yes, Vasco da Gama or Vasco da Gama is the first explorer to discover India. Who is the father of modern medicine? Option A, Al-Zahrawi, Albucasis, B, Aristotle, C, Hippocrates or Hippocrates. Answer is option C, Hippocrates or Hippocrates. Yes, Hippocrates is the father of modern medicine. Who introduced the first rupee in India? Option A, Sher Shah Suri, option B, Firoz Shah Suri, and option C, the answer is option A, Sher Shah Suri. Yes, first rupee was introduced in India by Sher Shah Suri, who is called as the Napoleon of India. Option A, Dayaram Sahani, B, R.D. Banerjee, and C, Samudragupta. Correct answer is option C, Samudragupta. Yes, Samudragupta is known as the Napoleon of India, who is known as the father of surgery in India. Option A, Acharya Chanakya, B, Sushrut Acharya, and C, Acharya Charak. Correct answer is option B, Sushrut Acharya. Yes, Sushrut Acharya is known as the father of surgery in India. Who was the King Siddharth? Option A, Mool Shankar, option B, Gautam Buddha, and option C, Maharishi Charak. Answer is option B, Gautam Buddha. Yes, the real name of Gautam Buddha was King Siddharth, who is known as the father of early modern medicine and clinical pharmacology. Option A, Ibn Sina, Ibn Sina, B, Hippocrates or Hippocrates, and C, Al-Zahrawi, Albucasis. Correct answer is option A, Ibn Sina or Ibn Sina. Yes, Ibn Sina is known as the father of early modern medicine and clinical pharmacology. Who wrote Vande Mataram song? Option A, Rabindranath Tagore, B, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, and C, Sharad Chandra Chattopadhyay. Correct answer is option B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Yes, the Vande Mataram is written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, who is known as the father of operative surgery. Option A. Al-Zahrawi, Al-Buqasis, B. Ibn Sina or Ibn Sina, C. Al-Mawsili. The answer is option A. Al-Zahrawi or Al-Buqasis. Yes, Al-Zahrawi or Al-Buqasis is known as the father of operative surgery, who built the Holy Kaaba, the holy place of Muslims. Your options are option A. Prophet Muhammad, B. Prophet Ibrahim or Abraham and son Ismail, option C. Allah. Your correct answer is option B. Prophet Ibrahim or Abraham and son Ismail. Yes, the Holy Kaaba is built by Prophet Ibrahim and son Ismail, who started newspaper Kesari. Option A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Subhash Chandra Bose and C. Gangadhar Tilak. The answer is option C. Gangadhar Tilak. Yes, Gangadhar Tilak started newspaper Kesari. Which movie is based on the Prophet Muhammad? Option A. The History of Medina and Mecca, B. The Message and C. 10 Commandments. Your correct answer is option B. The Message. Yes, this movie is based on the Prophet Muhammad, who built the Gateway of India. Option A. George Whitet or George Whitet, B. Frank Gehry and C. William Emerson. The answer is option A. George Whitet. Yes, the Gateway of India is built by George Whitet. What is the Sikh symbol called? Option A. Khanda or Khanda, B. Darpan and C. Dharma Chakra. The answer is option A. Khanda or Khanda. Yes, the Sikh symbol is called as Khanda. Where did Christianity start? Options are option A. Judea, option B. Greece and option C. France. Correct answer is option A. Judea. Yes, the Christianity started from Judea. Who was the first education minister of India? Your options are option A. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, B. Savitribai Phule and C. Rabindranath Tagore. The correct answer is option A. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Yes, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad was the first education minister of India. Where is Golden Gurudwara located? Option A. Amritsar, B. Nanded and C. Kartarpur. Answer is option A, Amritsar. Yes, the Golden Gurudwara is located in Amritsar. What is the first holy book of Hinduism? Your options are option A, the Ved, B, Ramayana, and C, Gita. Answer is option A, Ved. Yes, the Ved or Vedas are first ranked holy book of Hindu. What is the holy book of Christianity? Options are option A, the Holy Bible, B, the Holy Torah, and C, the Agam Sutras. Correct answer is option A, the Holy Bible. Yes, Bible is the holy book of Christianity. What is the holy book of Zoroastrians? Options are option A, the Bible, B, the Torah, C, the Zend Avesta. Correct answer is option C, the Zend Avesta. Zend Avesta is the holy book of Zoroastrians. Who is the founder of Jainism? Options are option A, Rishabdev, B, Mahavir, and C, Arihant. The answer is option A, Rishabdev. What is the holy book of Jainism? Your options are option A, Agam Sutras, Agam Sutra, B, Bhagavad Gita, and C, Ramayana. Your correct answer is option A, Agam Sutra. Where did the Zoroastrians come from? Option A, Persia, B, Israel, C, America, and D, India. Correct answer is option A, Persia. Zoroastrians belongs to Persia. What movie is based on the prophet Moses or Musa? Option A, The History of Moses, B, The Message, and C, The Ten Commandments. Answer is option C, The Ten Commandments. Yes, this movie is based on Prophet Moses or Musa. What Zoroastrians commonly known as? Options are option A, Jews, B, Christian, C, atheist, and D, Parsis. Answer is option D, Parsis. Zoroastrians are commonly known as Parsis. What is Jewish worship place called? Option A, mosque, B, synagogue, and C, church. Your correct answer is option B, synagogue. Yes, the worship place of Jewish is synagogue. What is the holy book of Sikhism? Option A, Arihant, B, Dasam Granth, C, the Guru Granth Sahib. Correct answer is Option C, the Guru Granth Sahib. Yes, the Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of Sikhism. Which gas is used by plants in photosynthesis? Options are Option A, nitrogen, B, oxygen, and C, carbon dioxide. Correct answer is option C, carbon dioxide. Yes, carbon dioxide gas is used by plants in photosynthesis.